Sexual reproduction in animals. Depending upon the presence of sex organs, animals are of two types. Unisexual animals. In most of the animals, only one kind of gamete, either sperm or ovum, is present. Such animals are called unisexual animals. For examples, frog, birds, humans, etc. Bisexual animals. There are certain animals where male and female gamete occur in the same individual. Such animals are called bisexual or hermaphrodites. For example, earthworm, leeches, etc. In animals, the reproductive organs produce sex cells. The male produces male gametes called sperms and female gamete is called ovum. The sperm is a small cell with a large flagellum, which is motile. The ovum is a large cell with dense cytoplasm. During fertilization, the sperm fuses with the ovum, forming a zygote, which undergoes number of changes and develops into a new individual. There are two types of fertilization in animals. External fertilization. In some animals, as frogs and fishes, the male and female individuals release their gametes in water and fertilization occurs outside the body. This type of fertilization is called external fertilization. Internal fertilization. It occurs in most of the animals like cat, dog, humans, etc. In this process, male discharges its gamete inside the body of the female. Thus, fertilization takes place inside the body of female. Such type of fertilization is called internal fertilization. Reproduction in humans. You have read that all living beings, whether plants or animals, reproduce to maintain the continuity of their species. Human beings also reproduce their individuals. Humans have specialized reproductive organs. Let us study about the reproductive organs of an adult. Male reproductive organs. 1. Two testes are present in the scrotal sac, which produce the male gametes or sperms. Sperm is a microscopic structure, consists of a large head, a neck, and a long tail. 2. Sperms are discharged from the body along with a fluid called semen. 3. Vas deferens or sperm duct, which carries sperms to the penis. 4. Male genital organ or penis, through which sperms are discharged inside the female body. 5. Testis produces the male sex hormone called testosterone. Female reproductive organs. 1. Two ovaries are present which produce ova alternately. 2. An ovum is a rounded structure with dense cytoplasm and a well-defined nucleus. 3. Adjacent to the ovaries, two tubes called fallopian tubes or oviducts are present which join the uterus. Fertilization takes place here. 4. The oviduct of both sides unites to form a thick-walled structure which is a cavity called uterus. The development of embryo takes place in the uterus. 5. Uterus is projected into the vagina where male genital organ, that is, penis, injects the sperm. 6. The ovaries produce female sex hormones called progesterone and estrogen. Fertilization in humans. When a sperm fuses with the ovum in the female body, fertilization takes place. After fusion, zygote is formed, which enlarges, and after many changes and development, an embryo is formed. The development of embryo takes place in the uterus. It gets nutrition from the mother's body through the placenta. This embryo develops in the uterus of the mother for 9 months and a baby is developed. When the baby is fully developed, the uterus wall contracts, pushing the baby out through the vagina. Growth and development. Growth and development are the main characteristics of living organisms. Every organism has the tendency to grow. Seeds germinate to produce seedlings and become plants in due course of time. Embryo grows to become a baby and ultimately into an adult. The process of becoming larger and more mature through natural development is called growth. It is regulated by growth hormones. The process of growth involves the increase in cell size and its number. A mango plant germinates to produce the root and shoot systems. Thus, on the basis of their structure, one can distinguish it from other plants. The characteristic feature of a plant or animal is due to its genetic character and environment.